Hi, Craig here from Steams Online, and I have some exciting news in regards to an update that we have implemented within the Steams Online platform. As part of our ongoing commitment to enhance your online teaching experience, we have integrated Zoom within Steams Online. So Zoom plus Steams Online equals to a powerful combination. Now, the question is, what's in it for you, or what does that mean for you? It is simple yet impactful. Think about having a direct link where you can now connect your Zoom account with your Steams Online account. On top of that, automatic updates will go out to the students. So once you set up your class, Steams Online will automatically send the Zoom meeting details to your student when they're enrolled for that class. So there's no more manual coordination between your organization with the student. All right, it's just going to be a smooth transition, which Teams Online is automating the whole process for you to make your job easier. So without further ado, let's dive into the platform to see how we are able to connect the Zoom account and set the option for the class, which the system will send out the meeting information to your student once they enroll for the class. All right. So directly from your dashboard, you want to click on the menu that says Add Features. So within that menu list, you want to click on Zoom Invitation. Now, on this page, you'll need to enter the account ID, client ID, and the client's secret key. And this information is retrievable through your Zoom account. We've also included a video which walk you through the steps as to how to retrieve this information directly from your Zoom. And you could get this information by clicking on this blue button here to activate the video and follow the steps. Now, once you retrieve the information, please go ahead and copy and paste it in its respective fields. So we'll copy in the account ID, the client ID, and our secret key, then hit the Connect Now button. So Zoom has been successfully connected, and it shows a status here that says connected. All right. If you scroll down on this page, it also gives you this option, whereas you could still manually send out Zoom link to students who has registered for the class. For example, say you manually created a student within the system and you assign a class to the student's profile. You can now manually send the Zoom link directly to that student. And to do so, you'll just need to select the class name from the list and then select the associated start date. In our case, I'm just going to leave it as all and then click on the search button. If you scroll down here, you'll notice you have a list of students that is registered for this class, and you could select the student that you need to send the Zoom information to. You also have the name of the instructor that is assigned to the class, which you could send the instructor a copy of the Zoom information as well. All right, so select the student name and the instructor's name and click on send Zoom link, and the system will email them a copy of the Zoom details or meeting details. Okay. Now to automate this whole process, um, click on the dashboard, then click on class and service. This page lists all the classes that you've created within the system. Now, if I want um, the system to send out a Zoom link to everyone that registered within my certified nurse aid class, I would just need to click on the edit button to the right, scroll down on the page, click on the option that says send Zoom link, scroll to the bottom of the page and click update. And that's it. This is where you set it and forget it. All right. So what's going to happen, everyone that registers for this class will receive the meeting invite. Now, the meeting invite um, will contain the meeting details, and it will be sent 24 hours before the start date for that class. All right. So let's do a quick recap as to this awesome feature. If we click on dashboard, click on add features, then Zoom invitation. All right. Now let's click on disconnect. So if once you disconnect your Zoom app, right, if you go ahead and try to update the class details to send the meeting invite to your student, the system is going to show you an error, display an error stating that you need to connect the app. All right. So go ahead and try to click on send Zoom link, scroll down, then updates. It shows you a message stating that unable to send meeting link or Zoom meeting link, please connect to the Zoom app. All right. So once this message is displayed, we'll just need to go back into add feature, Zoom invitation, enter our account ID, client ID, secret key, and connect the app. All right. But just keep in mind, once it's connected, that's it. All right. I'm just showing this step in case you move to the next step without connecting the app. The system is going to complain about that and say, go ahead, you need to connect the app first. Once the app is connected, now you basically could update the information within the class to tell the system to send out the meeting links directly to your students once they're enrolled in the class. All right. Hopefully this information was helpful. Um, we're always here to help, and we're always trying to figure out the next best solution that will make your job easier. So please go ahead and submit your feedback as to what you think about the new feature that we have implemented with Zoom and Steams Online. Until next time, thanks again, and thanks for using Steams Online. All right, all the best. Bye.